Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to crochet a mobile pouch. I am using a 5mm crochet hook for this project and a 3-ply cotton yarn. First of all, make a slip knot. Then with the help of crochet hook, we would make chains. So make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and then 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. After making 19 chains, go into the fourth chain from the hook. 3 chains will be counted as a double crochet stitch here, and we would make a double crochet stitch into the fourth chain. To make a double crochet, wrap the yarn around the hook, go into the same chain again and then draw a loop. We have 3 loops on our hook. Pull the yarn through 2 first and then through other 2 to make a double crochet stitch. Now into the next chain we would make a double crochet. Then into the next chain we would make a double crochet stitch. Then into the next chain again we would make a double crochet stitch. And in this way we would make double crochet in each of these stitches except the last one. Here is our last chain. In this last chain we would make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, then double crochet 5, and double crochet 6 into this same last chain just to make it round in shape. And then from the opposite side we would make 1 double crochet in each of these chains where we have made double crochet stitches from the opposite side already. And now we would make 1 double crochet in each of these chains till the end except the last one. So this is our last chain here. We would make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3. Now we have total of 6 double crochet stitches including starting 3 chains on this side as well. Now make a slip stitch into the third chain and our first round is completed. Now make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. After making 3 chains, in this same chain 3 make double crochet 2 times. Including first 3 chains we have 3 double crochet stitches here. Now make chain 1, skip 1, 2, 3 double crochet stitches and into this fourth double crochet stitch we would make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, then make chain 1, double crochet into the fourth stitch, skip 3 stitches, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, and then double crochet 3. Proceed this pattern till the end. Now make chain 1. Here are 3 stitches left. Skip these 3 stitches and then make a slip stitch into the starting third chain, and our second round is also completed. Make a slip stitch into the next double crochet stitch. Then make a slip stitch into the next double crochet stitch, and then last slip stitch into the chain 1 space, because we have to work into the chain 1 space for the next round. Make 3 chains and make 2 double crochet stitches in this chain 2 space. Then make chain 1 and make 3 double crochet stitches into the next chain 1 space. Then again make chain 1 and make 3 double crochet stitches into the next chain 1 space between set of 3 double crochet stitches. Make chain 1 again and make 3 double crochet stitches in the next chain 1 space. So repeat this process and complete this round and one more round with this color. So I have made 4 rounds with this color of these double crochet stitches. Now we will join another color. So join this color with the slip stitch in chain 1 space, make 3 chains and make 2 double crochet stitches in this chain 1 space as well. Make chain 1, make 3 double crochet stitches in the next chain 1 space. We would make 4 rounds with this green color and then another 4 rounds with this same color again. So to complete the length, I have made more rounds with green color because it was a bit shorter. Now make chain 1 and make a single crochet in this chain 1 space, and in the next chain 1 space make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, and then double crochet 7. After making 7 double crochet stitches in this chain 1 space, we would make a single crochet stitch into the next chain 1 space. Now in the next chain 1 space we would make shell stitch again by making double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, double crochet 7, and then a single crochet into the next chain 1 space. In this way complete this round of shell stitches. In the end we would make a slip stitch into the very first single crochet stitch of this round. Pull the yarn, cut it with the help of cutter and remove the extra yarn strand. With the help of tapestry needle, we would weave this yarn end. I have woven the yarn ends and our beautiful pouch is ready. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.